الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم إن الحمد لله نحمده ونستغفره ونستعينه ونعوذ به من شرور أنفسنا ومن سيئات أعمالنا من يهده الله فهو المهتدي ومن يضلل فلا هادي له وأشهد أن لا إله إلا الله وحده لا شريك له وأشهد أن سيدنا ونبينا محمدا عبده ورسوله يا أيها الناس اتقوا ربكم الذي خلقكم من نفس واحدة وخلق منها زوجها وبث منهما رجالا كثيرا ونساء واتقوا الله الذي تساءلون به والأرحام إن الله كان عليكم رقيبا يا أيها الذين آمنوا اتقوا الله وقولوا قولا سديدا يصلح لكم أعمالكم ويغفر لكم ذنوبكم ومن يطع الله ورسوله فقد فاز فوزا عظيما يا أيها الذين آمنوا اتقوا الله حق تقاته ولا تموتن إلا وأنتم مسلمون ثم أما بعد فإن أصدق الحديث كتاب الله وخير الهدي هدي نبينا محمد صلى الله عليه وسلم وشر الأمور محدثاتها وكل محدثة بدعة وكل بدعة ضلالة وكل ضلالة في النار أيها الأحبة الأكارم السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته أرقكم الله أخيكم الله وباتي أولواسي أشكري وشوى مسلمين وشوى مسلمين سلام وشوى مسلمين كرم وشوى مسلمين دعوة أمر الله سبحانه فلو شيء أبو بكر فلو شيء توقع الله ويجري الله صلى الله عليه وسلم توقع الله عليكم يا رب سبحانه محمد صلى الله عليه وسلم أن كان وقال شيء وبلغ رسالة ربه وسجى شهوده عليكم يا رب سبحانه محمد أولا بين الصحابة تتي يوضع الإسلام أي ما يعلم الإسلام always believe to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, the Lord of the world, most beneficent and most merciful. Let the salutation be upon our noble Prophet Muhammad, his household companions, day of reckoning. We appreciate Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala subhanahu wa ta'ala for his mercy upon our lives, for sparing our life till today. We say Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen. We say blessed upon our noble Prophet Muhammad, his household companions, day of Qiyamah. My dear fathers, mothers, brothers and sisters in Islam, I'm saying Assalamu Alaikum Warahmotullah Wabarakaatuh. Now, the discussion which we've been talking about is about the lessons from Suratu Yusuf. And a lot has been said on that. A lot has been said on that. A lot has been said on that particular surah, which inshallah we will proceed on that. We will discuss on how Prophet Yusuf faced challenges from his siblings, from his brothers, and other challenges which presently has led him to the prison. That is where we are now. Which challenges of life has led Prophet Yusuf has led him to prison presently. Because these challenges is a journey to victory, is a journey to success, is a journey to victory, and is a journey to success. But we human beings, we only love to encounter happiness. We only love to encounter something good, always, without encountering any hardship, any sadness. But Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala did not make this life like that. Because road to success is indeed wrong. Road to success is not a smooth road. Ànábì wa Yusuf alayhi salam ó fèsì ìdojúkọ tó pọ̀, ó pàdé ìdojúkọ tó pọ̀ lẹ́ni tó ń rìnrìn àjò lọ síbi àṣeyọrí, lẹ́ni tó ń rìnrìn àjò lọ síbi oríire. Ní tó túmọ̀ sí pé tó bá wà láyé yìí àti débi gígé òrọ̀rùn àti ìṣoríire òrọ̀rùn, ọmọ bá méjèèjì pàdé náà yóò máa dùn yóò sì máa ká. It will be sad and you encounter sadness, and you also will encounter happiness. That is this life. That was what Prophet Yusuf alayhi salam encountered. Ìtàn wa Yusuf tó tún bá pàdé òun náà ní àdánwò obìnrin. Àdánwò tánà wa Yusuf alayhi salam tó pàdé lára obìnrin. Mo sọ títí mo ní ẹ̀yà ṣọ́ra pẹ̀lóbìnrin. Ṣọ́ra pẹ̀lóbìnrin ìyàwó rẹ̀ tó gbé sílé náà. Ìyàwó rẹ̀ tó gbé sílé náà, ṣọ́ra pẹ̀lú rẹ̀. Ìyàwó rẹ̀ tó gbé sílé náà, bá ṣe pẹ̀lẹ́pọ̀, bá ṣe pẹ̀lú làákàyè. Torí Ọlọ́run dáwọn dáa. Ọlọ́run dáwọn ìyá wa, ààrẹ gbégbé sí ayé lẹ́ni tí ò ní obìnrin ṣe. You can't live a life without women. You can't live a life without women. Even though you said you don't want to marry, I said it some days ago. Even though you said you don't want to marry, or maybe you are happy that maybe another I'm dying. So that are the major keys which you said, I'm not yet married for me to have a wife. And then my mother is there, if I told you your mother is late. And you said, my mother only gave birth to boys, we are boys in our family. That are the excuse you believe. But in your day-to-day activities, you will surely be encountering women. You will surely be facing women. Tó bá ti ẹ̀rọ pé èmi ní ìpínlẹ̀ ìṣẹ́ mọ́láyé, báwo lọ sí níwọ̀n àti ìbúkú tí ìfẹ́ àwọn òkè ẹ̀mí ìbúkú ní ìyá mi ìbúkú ti kú ní orí àmọ́ mi ò kúkú lẹ́gbẹ̀ẹ́ ìbúlápùrò obìnrin. Kò tí gbogbo tó bá sílẹ̀ gbogbo àwọn ilé gbogbo ìgbésí ayé tó bá lọ tó bá mọ̀ ó fẹ́ rata. Báwọn mọ́nà ọkùnrin bá ti ẹ̀ ń tata, àwọn ìyá wa tí ń tata lóbìnrin kọ́ tó nìrata lọ́wọ́. Àwọn ìyá àwọn tí ń ta jẹ lóbìnrin tó nìrata lọ́wọ́ tó bá lọ́wọ́ tó tí èèyàn bá sọ pé mi ní ìran tí mo fẹ́ bá obìnrin ṣe máa láyé ayé. So you must have a certain relationship with women. But as a Muslim, ìyẹn máa ń ṣọ́ra fún ìwọ̀n. Wọ́n máa bá wọn lò pẹ̀lú ẹ̀kọ́, wọ́n máa bá wọn lò pẹ̀lú làákàyè, bẹ́ẹ̀ sì ni wọ́n máa bá wọn lò pẹ̀lú ìmọ̀. You relate with women with sense. You relate with women with knowledge. You relate with women with wisdom. Because Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala created them as a very special being. Now, because Prophet Yusuf alayhi salam, he encountered part of the challenges in which he encountered in his life also came from women. One, the wife of his boss. Two, the women in the city. Nínú àwọn àjọ ìtànàbí wa Yusuf tó bá pàdé òun ní ẹ̀dẹ̀ àwọn obìnrin. àdáwò obìnrin tó wọ́n pàdé kò náà àdáwò ìyàwó ọ̀gá rẹ̀ àdáwò obìnrin náà bí Yusuf bá pàdé kò náà àdáwò àwọn ọmọ obìnrin àwọn tó yẹ pé kọ̀tọ́ àná àìdí ọ̀rọ̀ náà àwọn tí wọ́n ń gé ọwọ́ ọmọ nígbà tí wọ́n ní Yusuf ó tún fèsì yẹn náà lọ́dọ̀ àmọ́ níbi wa Yusuf alayhi salam owó ló tọrọ lọ́wọ́ ọlọ́run tó rí dáwà ní fàṣíbímú àhábù ìlẹ́yìn àtọ́rí kí ń lọ lọ́wọ́ ló gbàjú báyọ̀ ẹ̀wọ̀n ló máa gbé mi ju kí ń lọ lásìkò yìí torí pé ti bá ní mo fẹ́ sọ pé mo fẹ́ máa gbé pẹ̀lú àwọn ilé yìí tí wọ́n rí ìyàwó ọ̀gá mú skéjù ní ọ̀gá lọ́wọ́ ìyàwó ọ̀gá ṣe láwọn tó wà nínú yìí ilé má padà skéjù lọ́wọ́ ọkọ̀. I said it yesterday. I said because sometimes you have to make a certain decision which will be very hard to make, but you won't have any choice. Imam Mustapha O, Imam Mustapha O, kò sì máa ṣe ọlọ́run yẹn ló dájú torí pé àìnílọsíwájú rẹ̀ kò ní jẹ́ permanent ìlọsíwájú ló padà wá in tó ṣẹlẹ̀ bá nàbí wá Yusuf ẹwà wọ àánú àti àtìlọ́wọ̀ padà sí lọ́dọ̀ rẹ̀ because the decision Prophet Yusuf alayhi salam made then which people might think that òpònú ilé báwo ló ṣe máa sọ púpọ̀ lọ sẹ́wọ̀n tí ò ní máa bẹ́ gbogbo àwọn obìnrin yóò máa bẹ́ wọn lọ yóò mú jẹ́ wọn lọ tó bá jẹ́ lórí irú decision tẹ́lẹ̀ lórí òkèkè but Yusuf alayhi salam made the decision in order to go to prison instead of committing fornication. Instead of fornicating, he preferred going to the prison. So in life there are some decisions in which you make that you see it will be very hard in the beginning, but eventually the result will later be a good one. So now, after Prophet Yusuf alayhi salam, I said that yesterday that what later led Prophet Yusuf alayhi salam to the prison was that the persuasion in which the wife of the nobleman, he persuaded her husband that you that will not me up. Do you want me to go out there and be singing and be making an excuse for him? Instead, for me to go out, instead you better imprison this your slave, your servant. That was how Prophet Yusuf was making the decision in order to run him up. Now, Prophet Yusuf has been locked up now. Allah went for that in Suratu Yusuf, verse 36. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم ودخل معه السجن فتيان قال أحدهما إني أراني أعصر خمرا وقال الآخر إني أراني أحمل فوق رأسي خبزا تأكل الطير منه نبئنا بتأويله إنا نراك من المحسنين قال لا يأتكما طعام ترزقانه إلا نبأتكما بتأويله قبل أن يأتيكما ذلكما مما علمني ربي إني تركت ملة قوم لا يؤمنون بالله وهم بالآخرة هم كافرون. Now, at this particular stage of life of Prophet Yusuf alayhi salam, Prophet Yusuf has moved from previous stage to another stage of life. This stage now is the life in prison. Prophet Yusuf's life in prison. You see how Prophet Yusuf is moving from one stage to another. That's how you'll be moving from one stage to another. You will think life is rough. You will think life is hard. You will think things can never be good. But do not lose hope. You will think things can never be good. You will be sleeping somewhere and think that you will not be comfortable. People know sometimes it will be very hard for you to take your bath. Is that not so? Because you are thinking about money. You are thinking how to be successful. You are thinking how to be victorious in this life. But I'm telling you today, you will not lose hope. Because that are the stages in which Prophet Yusuf encountered. Now Prophet Yusuf is in the stage in which he is in the prison. And that's why Yusuf gbogbo ìgbésí ayé káàdì ní ilé gbogbo ìpele ìgbésí ayé tó ń gbé àwọn àdáwò tó ń gbé nínú gbogbo ìpele yìí ó ti rí ìgbádùn. Ó ti rí ìgbádùn. Ní ìtó túmọ̀ sí pé gbogbo tí ẹ bá fi ó máa ní ìrìnàjò kan àsìkò kan mẹ́ ọ́ gbádùn àwọn àsìkò kan mẹ́ ìyẹn ló sì máa wá. Ànábì Yusuf ó ti jẹyà, ó ti gbádùn, ó tún wá ń fèsì ànádá wàhálà báyìí sí. Prophet Yusuf alayhi salam moved from hardship to happiness, to ease, and from ease to another hardship. Prophet Yusuf, Ànábì Yusuf ti gbéra gbogbo wàhálà tó kẹ̀ẹ̀ká ọ̀tà lọ́nà ọmọ ìyá rẹ̀ tí wọ́n fi pàálẹ́ tẹ́lì tó rà ẹni tó rà wá ń tọ́jú ìgbésí ayé rẹ̀ ní gbádùn. Níbi ìgbádùn tí gbádùn lọ ní sí ó ti kúrò nínú ìgbádùn tó ti bọ́ sínú ẹ̀wọ̀n. Ó ti kúrò nínú ìgbádùn ó ti bọ́ sínú ẹ̀wọ̀n báyìí. Ní ìtò túnmọ̀ sí pé ìwọ́n náà rò pé gbogbo ẹ̀pìn kò tí ìpín kò tí ìpín òun Yorùbá máa fi ní gẹ́mì náà ìrètí sí bẹ tí wọ́n náà sọ̀rọ̀ tí nù. It might just be like this today. Something is good, something good is coming in the future. Don't look down on yourself. That's how we were Yusuf alayhi salam started another level of life. وَدَخَلَ مَعَهُ السِّجْنَ. Prophet Yusuf was already in the prison while two men joined him in the prison. Two men joined him in the prison. But it is narrated in the tafsir that these two men were usually working in the palace. These two men were usually working in the palace, but they were in prison because they were suspected that they want to poison the king. These two were suspected that they want to poison the king. That's why they were in prison. Their own one of them is the one that feed the king the wine. He served the king wine. While the other man was the one that baked the bread in the palace. Àwọn méjì tó wọlé tí Ànábì Yusuf lẹ́wọ̀n inú ààfin ọba ni wọ́n ti ń ṣiṣẹ́. Ní tó sì gbé wọn lẹ́wọ̀n, òun náà ní pé wọ́n kẹ́fún wọn wípé wọ́n fẹ́ fi òkú sókè ọba. Bí tí wọ́n ti ráwọn mọ́nà. Wọ́n jẹ́ fi ní àti ìṣẹ́gbẹ́ àwọn sí lóòtọ́ ẹ̀wọ̀n pé tó bá ní ẹ̀ suspect from suspect to the prime suspect but one suspect wọ́n ń bọ́ ọ̀gbẹ̀ ìkan ní wọ́n lẹ̀kẹ̀lẹ́ òun máa ń ṣe búrẹ́dì fún àwọn ọba èkejì òun máa ń gbé olóma sáàbò ọba ní ọtí ẹlẹ́rìn ìgò iṣẹ́ táwọn méjì máa ń ṣe ìgbó wá ní ọdẹ wọn ní pé wọ́n fẹ́ kọ́ ìsìn wa wọ́kọ́lá wọ̀dákàlá máa sí ìdá fàdàyà. Two young men entered the prison with him. One of them said, both of them, one they wanted to test the wisdom and the interpretation of dream of Prophet Yusuf alayhi salam. So they were then saying to Prophet Yusuf alayhi salam, one of them said, Inni arani asiru khamra. I dreamt and I saw in my dream that I am pressing wine for the king. And the other man said, Inni arani. I saw in my own dream that I get bread on my head, that bird is eating from that bread. That was the dream that these two young men dreamt about. Àwọn ọmọ méjèèjì lórí iṣẹ́ tí wọ́n ń ṣe láàrin kan tó bí wọ́n wá sẹ́wọ̀n. Wọ́n rí wípé ẹni yìí onílàáká yìí, wọ́n fẹ́ gbìyànwó Ànábì Yusuf alayhi salam. Wọ́n fẹ́ gbìyànwó rẹ̀ pé káwọn lè mọ ability rẹ̀. Ìdánwò tí wọ́n gbé fún Ànábì Yusuf, òun náà ní wípé àkọ́kọ́ sọ pé èmi ò lójú oorun tèmi ó ń pa á ní òkú níbẹ̀ òun rí pé òun ṣe ọtí ẹlẹ́rìndòdò. Ìkejì, òun wá sọ pé nítorí òun rí búrẹ́dì òun lálàpọ̀ òun rí búrẹ́dì lórí òun tí ẹyẹ ń sán búrẹ́dì jẹ lórí òun. Àwọn méjì bá ní big david away. Two of them now asked Prophet Yusuf alayhi salam, the big david away, inform us or explain to us its interpretation. The dream they just narrated to Prophet Yusuf, they were expecting him to say, to do the interpretation of that dream. Inna naraka min al-muslimin. We see you to be of those that are good. We see you to be of those that do good. That was what they said to Prophet Yusuf alayhi salam. Prophet Yusuf alayhi salam said, all. He now said, you don't forget that they were testing Prophet Yusuf. And his response to them now goes was, all, he said, you will not receive food that is provided to you except that I will inform you. It means Prophet Yusuf said, they may be bringing food for you, but whatever the food they are bringing for you, I will tell you the type of the food they are bringing for you, if you think you want to test it. That is what Prophet said to them. Instead of him interpreting the dream, what he said to them immediately, that he knew that they were testing him. And they said, if you think you want to test me, I can tell you the food that they are bringing to you, the type of the food, and the taste of the food, and what the food looks like, with the power that Allah has given him. Does anyone of you have that kind of power? Huh? Where's the woman? He said he has that power. So Allah said that is what Prophet Yusuf alayhi salam. But he did not attribute that power to himself. What he said, what I've just said is what Allah taught me, is what I was taught by my Lord. It means you have to take a look at something there. You, no matter the knowledge you have, no matter the power you have, never attribute that to yourself. Even though you have wealth, no matter how that your wealth is, no matter how enormous it is, no matter how plentiful it is, don't attribute it to yourself. You know, some people say, no longer. It means I have money, I'm wealthy in the way I'm not wealthy. Allah gave you the money. There are many people out there that need it more than you. Some people will say, a million money. It simply means, I have that knowledge. The knowledge is plenty. The knowledge is plenty. That's what some people say. Not knowing that Allah gave them. Why some people out there that need it more than they do? So gbogbo ọ̀rọ̀ bá ṣe fún ẹ lóore má rò pé wọn lò ní ọlọ́run ló ní o gbogbo àtúntọ́rọ̀ bá ṣe fún ẹ má rò pé wọn lò ní ọlọ́run ló ní o. That was what Prophet Yusuf alayhi salam quickly said, he said he can do something and immediately he quickly directed to what to do. They attributed it to Allah. And then the Yusuf tí kọ́kọ́ sọ̀rọ̀ síwájú wípé o tí ó jẹ́ tó máa gbé wá fún yín sí mo lè sọ oúnjẹ tí ó gbé wá fún yín àti bí ó ṣe àmọ́ gbogbo tó mo fẹ́ sọ yóò Alaikum that is the knowledge in which Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has given to me. Because inni taraktu millata qawmin la yu'minuna billah. Prophet Yusuf alayhi salam said, I left the people that does not believe in Allah. I left people who do not believe in Allah. وَهُمْ بِالْآخِرَةِ هُمْ كَافِرُونَ, and they hereafter are disbelievers. I left people. So don't forget that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala said in one of the previous verses that what happened to Prophet Yusuf at the age of 12, it will stick to his memory. Allah said it. That was how he's going to recognize his brothers in the future. That is why he said, I left the people that do not believe in Allah. And the day of Qiyamah will be among disbelievers. Will be among the disbelievers. So when we are going out is, please, Allah give us things differently. You might have knowledge, you might have wealth, you might have a certain possession. Whatever you have is not yours, is Allah. Whatever you have is not yours, is Allah. Because there are many people, even though this is our body, just know that it's Allah. Because there are many people in hospital lying on their bed, they are feeding them there, they are dedicating there, they are being there, they are doing everything on their bed, but you can move, you can go, you can come, and you have no appreciation. So everything are born by Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Everything are born by Allah. So that is why Prophet Yusuf alayhi salam quickly attributed the knowledge, the dream interpretation, he quickly attributed it to Allah immediately. Even though the money you have is not yours. Prophet Muhammad said, the one you spent is yours, but the one you kept in the bank is not yours. The one you have in your pocket is not yours, because you have not spent it. The money you spend it and use it to buy a clothes now is yours. When you spend it to buy food, is yours. When you give it to someone, it means it's yours. But when you still give it to your bank, sorry madam, it's not yours. It's not yours. As you be still in your possession, just be thankful. Just know that Allah owns it. That is why the wealth that Allah gave to you, give out your zakat from it. In order to purify your wealth. The knowledge that Allah gave to you, teach people. Teach people for that knowledge to keep increasing. That is it. So everything you have, Allah owns it. That is what Prophet Yusuf taught us today from his way of life. This is another stage of Prophet Yusuf journey to victory, journey to success. About presently is in the prison and is spending the life in the prison. Inshallah, we will proceed tomorrow because you know today was so tight and then we had our lecture today and a lot of it strong, let me put it that way. So I just have to do this in order to fulfill the promise I made to Allah. And so Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala accepted from everyone of us.